I'm a national coach for match racing in France, and a long time ago I was also a competitor in match racing in America's Cup. And my name is Marc Bouet. It's very important because it was a big gap since the last event of last year. So for the French we had very good training, but obviously it's very important. The first event is very important, and for psychology it's very important to have a good result in the first one, because we have next in Germany and then Korea and then Portugal and then Sweden. So I think it's very important to have a first one event with a very good result. Each year it's very close at the end of the year. So this year we have Mathieu Richard, but that team is not here. And so the first team for us here will be the team with Damien Hiel. It's the first year he's got a card for all the tour. And I think for many years it's a very, very good team, and obviously we hope that team will be on the best at the end of the year. For me, probably it's one of the best places in France, because you can get all types of wins. You can get breeze from the west with very steady winds. We can get easterly winds, which is very fluky, and it's very interesting. We can get Mistral and very strong winds. So it's for me it's a very nice place, and obviously for many years we have a very good competition here in Marseille. Boats are J80. It's probably the smaller one on the tour. Maybe the Swiss boat is probably rather the same size, but J80 is a small boat. And we know very well that boat because most of the match racing in France we sell J80, so it's good for the French competitors, but obviously all competitors know also that boat very well. I think it's a very good boat for the crew work, because it's easy to move the boat, and also it's a asymmetrical spinnaker, which is a bit different. But it's also very interesting for tactics and rules. So I think now we are selling that boat for 5 or 6 years, and everybody knows very well about the boat. But it's different from bigger boats, are a bit different, but it's okay.